Some mobile reward games let you earn points from playing games, completing tasks, or reaching milestones. But the money you receive depends on the app's current reward system and eligibility rules. By the end, you'll know 5 reward apps to check, how their systems work, and what to look for before spending time on any game that promises Cash App payments. The first app to check is Swagbucks. Swagbucks includes game-related offers where users can earn rewards by completing specific activities. The important part is reading the offer details before starting because some rewards require certain actions to be completed. The second option is Misplay. Misplay focuses on mobile gaming rewards, where users earn points through eligible games inside the app. You need to check whether the games available in your region match your interests before committing time. The third app is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars offers different ways to earn rewards, including some game-based activities. Each offer has its own requirements, so check the conditions before assuming a reward will be available. The fourth option is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play is designed around earning points through playing selected mobile games. The amount of time needed can vary depending on the game and the reward requirements shown in the app. The fifth app is MyPoints. MyPoints provides rewards through different activities, including selected game offers. Before completing any offer, review the instructions carefully so you know exactly what counts toward the reward. There are a few things to check before using any Cash App reward game. First, confirm the withdrawal options, because not every reward platform sends money directly to Cash App. Some platforms may use different reward methods. Second, avoid apps that ask for unnecessary personal information or require payments before you can access rewards. Legitimate reward apps explain how earning and redemption work before you start. Third, track your progress inside the app. Many game offers have specific milestones, and missing a requirement can prevent a reward from being credited. The best choice depends on the type of games you enjoy and how much time you want to spend completing offers. Always read the rules. Check the reward process, and choose apps with clear terms. To summarize, Swagbucks, Misplay, Inbox Dollars, Rewarded Play, and MyPoints are 5 reward platforms worth checking if you are looking for game-based earning options. Your next step is to compare their current offers and pick the one that matches your gaming habits. Subscribe for more app guides and money-making app updates.